Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to review Darwinbox. Now, if you work in HR operations or you're part of a company trying to modernize your employee experience, Darwinbox is a name that you've probably heard floating around. It's one of the fastest growing HR tech platforms in all of Asia and the Middle East, and it's been making a lot of noise by competing with some of the biggest global names in the space. But does it actually live up to the hype? Is it flexible enough for modern workforces? And how does it perform when you stack it against legacy HR platforms? In this video, I'll walk you through what Darwinbox is, what makes it different, the key features it offers, how it handles the user experience, and finally, whether it is worth investing in the first place. So, without further delay, let's get started. So, what is Darwinbox? It is a cloud based platform that helps companies manage their employees throughout their entire journey. It really takes care of everything: hiring, onboarding, performance tracking, payroll, and even when employees leave. Unlike old and clunky HR systems, Darwinbox is modern, easy to use, and designed to fit how today's teams actually work. It was founded in India, and the company has grown quickly across Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Europe. It is trusted by more than 800 companies, including well-known names like Adani, Tokopedia, SBI General, and AI Raji Bank. What makes Darwinbox different is it combines powerful features with the simplicity of an app that anyone can use. It is also very intuitive, so there's no need for long training sessions. People can figure it out right away. It works on both web and mobile, and it's flexible enough for literally everyone to use. Now, let's dive into the features because this is where I think Darwinbox becomes really interesting. First off, it offers a full suite of core HR tools. That includes employee databases, organization charts, leave and attendance management, workflows for approvals, document repositories, and more. These are the basics, rather, but Darwinbox adds layers of automation and flexibility that many legacy systems don't have. For instance, the leave policies can be deeply customized by region, role, or even department, and you can automate everything from holiday calendars to shift rotations. Next is recruitment. The platform provides a complete applicant tracking system, or ATS, that allows hiring managers and recruiters to post jobs, manage candidates, and track application status in one convenient place. Also, you can automate screening, schedule interviews, and send offer letters. If you're using third party job boards or LinkedIn, Darwinbox integrates with those too. Then there's onboarding, which is one of its most refined modules. It lets you create customized onboarding journeys for different roles. So new hires can complete paperwork, get to know their teams, and start training all before their very first day on the job. It even includes digital signing for documents, task checklists, and automated reminders. Another highlight is performance management. You can set goals, run 360-degree reviews, conduct monthly check-ins, or stick with annual evaluations. The system supports OKRs, KPIs, and competency-based assessments. What's great is that performance data can be tied back to development plans and learning modules, giving HR and managers a more clear view of who's growing and where support is all still needed. Darwinbox also has its own payroll module, which supports multi-country payroll, statutory compliance, tax calculations, and direct bank integrations. This is where many platforms fall short, but Darwinbox handles things like local tax laws, PFESI in India, or GOSI in the Middle East, with regionalized compliance rules baked right in. And we can't forget the learning and development piece, huge part of it. The platform includes a built-in learning management system, or LMS, that supports internal and external courses, certifications, and learning paths. Managers can assign training, and employees can explore learning libraries based on their role or career path. There's also an extensive rewards and recognition system, internal surveys, and even tools for succession planning and workforce analytics. One of the best things about Darwinbox is that it works perfectly on mobile. Unlike other platforms that can feel clunky or are just smaller versions of their web apps, Darwinbox's mobile app is built to work smoothly when you're on the move. You can check attendance, apply for leave, download payslips, raise tickets, approve tasks, and even take part in feedback surveys, all from the comfort of your phone. For field teams, contact workers or contract workers, or distributed employees, this changes everything. It means that you don't need to be at a computer to handle basic HR tasks like marking attendance or responding to requests. The app also comes with handy features like geotagging, facial recognition, and QR-based attendance. These tools are especially helpful for companies with on ground teams or places where biometric systems aren't practical. Plus, notifications and reminders make sure that nothing gets missed. Managers get alerts when they need to approve tasks or check goals, and employees get reminders for things like pending tasks, birthdays, or company updates. Everything keeps moving smoothly. Now, let's talk about integrations. Darwinbox works with a wide range of tools. You can easily connect it to SAP, Oracle, QuickBooks, or ERPs like NetSuite. The platform uses standard APIs and connectors so that data moves smoothly between systems. It also connects with Slack, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and other workplace tools. This means employees can get updates or take actions without jumping between platforms. It is a huge boost for engagement and productivity. In addition, Darwinbox has something called the Darwinbox Store. This digital ecosystem includes partner apps for things like background checks and wellness programs. You can add third-party solutions without starting from scratch or building custom connections. And because it supports single sign-on or SSO and role-based access controls, it helps manage data privacy and compliance across teams and locations. Now, let's look at one of the most powerful parts of Darwinbox, its analytics engine. Every module comes with dashboards and reports that are customizable, shareable, and interactive. HR teams can view attrition trends, hiring velocity, training effectiveness, or salary benchmarks with just a few clicks. These insights aren't just charts, they're actionable. For example, you can set up automated alerts if your employee engagement scores drop below a certain level, or if a high performing employee hasn't received feedback in more than 90 days. There's also predictive analytics to help with workforce planning. If your sales team in one region is shrinking, Darwinbox can flag it early and recommend next steps based on historical patterns. This kind of data driven decision making is invaluable, especially for CHROs and CXOs trying to align people strategies with business outcomes. Now, on to the pricing, because this is something that many businesses wonder about. Darwinbox doesn't list flat pricing on its website. Instead, it follows a customized pricing model based on company size, the number of modules that you need, and your deployment type, like cloud or hybrid. For example, if you're a mid-sized company looking for core HR, payroll, and performance modules, your annual cost may fall somewhere in the lower five-figure range. But for larger enterprises with thousands of employees in multiple geographies, the pricing scales up accordingly. If you're considering the platform, it's best to request a demo and get a quote tailored to your organization's structure and goals. So what's my take on Darwinbox? If you're an HR team looking for a modern and easy to use HR platform, Darwinbox has a lot to offer. It supports the entire employee journey, gives you a mobile first experience, and brings powerful features without all of the complicated, outdated systems. It works especially well for companies in fast growing regions like Asia and the Middle East, and it's becoming popular globally as well. The platform is flexible and has the tools that you need, no matter if you're managing field workers or remote teams in tech. Yes, setting it up takes time and effort if you're switching from older systems. And yes, you'll need to contact sales to get pricing details, but those are small steps compared to the benefits that you will get. It simplifies HR processes, gives you real-time insights, and helps create happier and more engaged teams. So if you're after a forward-thinking HR system, Darwinbox is definitely worth at least checking out. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this review helped you understand what Darwinbox brings to the table. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more platform reviews just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over the next video.